Hello there. In this video we're going to graph a system of inequalities. This first one we'll do the line, and to do this, remember, just cover up one of those, so like pretend that the y is not there, and we get 3x equals 6, so that implies that the x-intercept is at 2. And the next one, cover up the x and we get 2y equals 6, and that implies that the y-intercept is at 3. And then we can extrapolate these points. It looks like it's going down 3 over 2, so we can get a point here, and we'll fill in the rest of those. And because this is a less than or equal to sign, we will connect them with a solid line. And we can think about this now, which side of the line we're going to be on. So you can test a point. Let's do like 0, 0, for example. And we get 3 times 0 plus 2 times 0 is less than or equal to 6. We get 0 is less than or equal to 6. That's a true statement. So 0, 0 is going to be included, and that means that I'm going to shade below this one. But I'm not going to shade it quite yet because I want the other graph first. So here I have a quadratic, and I'm going to figure out some important... I'm going to do a quadratic analysis on this. So let's factor it. So this tells me that I'm going to have x-intercepts at 5, 0, and also at negative 1, 0. And we're going to have a y-intercept at, what was it? 0, negative 5. So that's 3 points. Now another point is where this is going to have its vertex. This one's opening up, so it's going to have a minimum at, do the line of symmetry, it's at 2 comma something. So I'll plug in that 2. I'm going to put it into the factored form here, and that gives me negative 9. So this has a minimum at 2 comma negative 9. I'll put that point in 2. I can do a little bit of symmetry games here, like there's going to be one over here, and I actually know, given the a value of this parabola, that 1's going to be at negative 8, and 3 is also going to be at negative 8. And that gives me the beginning shape of that parabola, and I'm going to connect it. And for what we're doing in these videos is we're not actually figuring out where these intersection points are. We could certainly do that, but we just want to get the graphical representation of what's going on with these lines and this parabola. So pick a point for the parabola. 0, let's do 0, 0 again. 0 is greater than or equal to 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 5. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 5. That's true. So we're going to be on the upside of that parabola. So I must be both below this one and above this one. So it must be this region in between, and I can start shading. Oh, there we go. Alright, and because this often gets confused later on when we start shading what's not included, I am going to label this region here the feasible region. Alright, thanks for watching. Character and Scholarship for Life.